morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. I don't think I ever start my vlog like in my room. I was just getting yesterday's vlog prepared on YouTube and I saw this again. Like, I don't get this. Literally the majority of my videos get demonetized and then I have to put in a request. What is that? Whoa, it definitely snowed last night. Can you hear how stuffed up I sound? Today's gonna be miserable. I think this is my first time actually having to wear my winter boots to work. Usually the snow's not this crazy, but I also brought like my real work shoes. I'm not gonna wear boots to work all day. I'm getting hit in the face. I started the vlog bitching about not getting monetized and I didn't even like welcome the new viewers. And if you want to subscribe, please subscribe because I make basically nothing on YouTube and anything helps. I make daily videos about my med school life. I'm currently in internal medicine, week 4 of internal medicine. It's a 12-week rotation. Okay, sign out is over. I have 4 patients and all of them need work done, so I'm gonna be probably pretty busy today. Keep you guys updated. Hey, how are you? Good. We're struggling, guys. Struggling with Foley's, struggling with ABGs.
Yep.
Not a very good snow day.
It's been a crazy day.
Oh, and a BNP?
Yep, and a BNP.
We have had a couple failures today.
It's a rough day.
It's not been a very productive /
After nights,
efficient.
I haven't failed this bad.
Yeah?
No, nights like, I did so many on nights.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna try again.
Are we? I'm going home.
Okay, we'll ask the interns to try it for
Interns
us.
will try. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hold up, I can't talk to you guys now. Okay. Wait. Okay, the wind has calmed down a bit. Wow! My first snowstorm. It's crazy. Look at that mound of snow. Oh, the wind's picking up again. Oh my god! What is happening? I'm going through a hurricane. Oh, but snow. Guys, today was... I don't know what today was. The only was the chief student. And the only reason I stayed later than every other student was because she's my friend. And I helped her with her patients. None of those people were my patients. The people we failed on. But we stayed to help. They said our chief resident earlier said, we don't have to stay, like students don't have to stay, but she wanted to stay to help her intern and I wanted to stay to help her. So, but after failing so many times, I'm not gonna poke these patients again. Like, come on, I mean, it hurts so bad. And there's nothing else for me to do for my patients. So I'm out. It's about noon right now. And yeah, holy crap. This is crazy. I've never experienced anything like this. First time I saw snow was like last month, wasn't it? All right. Will the gate even open? It's like deep. I'm like losing it, sorry guys. Actually, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm not doing anything but staying home and getting warm and studying. So look at my stairs. Look at my stairs. Oh my god. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. See you guys next time.